welcome back to my channel. If you do not know me, I am Taisha Renee, and here we do everything beauty content. My first time doing my boho knotless with human hair, and I can absolutely say that adding human hair to your braids will make a difference. Hey y'all, so like this is my favorite hair to braid with. I use it for my clients, and this is the company where my hair always give little goodies in their packages. So this is how their human hair looks. This is from ygwigs.com, and I will put the link in the description box. But this hair was super soft, and the bundles were so thick, and they gave me 3 of them. I didn't want to be in my hair forever, so I'm going to pre-part my hair so that I can just grab them and go. And this is such a tedious process because you're literally doing the same thing the whole time. But trust me, this is going to save you at least an hour or 2 on your hair. For reference, this is a color 2. It's such a pretty brown color. And I'm going more of a medium, large knotless this time. So I'm not going to do my parts too big, or I'm not going to do my pieces too big either. You can find these separating racks from your local beauty supply, and they also have them in Walmart. So when starting off my hair, I do put my hair into 3 sections. It just allows me to move better in my hair so that I know that I'm doing 1 section at a time. Because if I'm doing a whole lot of hair at one time, I'm going to get overwhelmed and I'm not going to want to finish my hair. So for me, that's a part from ear to ear, which leaves a part in the back. And then in the front, I just part my hair down the middle, which gives me 2 ponytails on each side. The star of the show is going to be Shine and Gem. I use Shine and Gem for everything, to part, to make my parts cleaner. I use it for my edges, and overall it's just really a good jam to braid or twist with. On my first row, I'm going to do 3 braids because I don't want to do them too small. I'm doing like a medium large type of look. So I'm starting it off by feeding in my hair. I feed in about 4 pieces before I feed in my curly piece. And you just literally feed in your curly piece the same way that you do the braiding hair. We're going to braid that down. And then once we braid it to a place that we're comfortable, we're going to pull it away and continue braiding down, and you repeat the process. I decided to go ahead and pre-part my hair. This is going to save you so much time as well when you're doing your own hair. You're going to need a mirror in front of you and a mirror behind you in order to see your hair. I just really wanted to say that these human hair pieces are absolutely the best. Like, they feel so soft, they are easy to manage, and they're so lightweight. I did not know that having human hair knotless would make such a difference, but it absolutely does, because this hair flows so effortlessly. In order to secure our braid, we are going to take a little piece from the side and then we're going to loop it around to make a knot. This is going to have your curly pieces and your braiding hair intact. Okay, now that half of my head is done, it's time to move on to the other side. On the other side, we're going to split them into 4. I'm pre-parting so that I don't have to do too much, and I can just go ahead and start braiding as I go.
Take me back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past. I'm a fly Priscilla, I'll just prepare. So mesmerized by that ass. The way she moves it, I can tell that she loves me. Nigga can't help but to touch. Smack it round a bit, then slip on some bubbly. Hope I'm not doing too much. Strange new addictions pick up on the road. Change my opinion and change all my flows. Change my approach, no more loving these hoes.
Y'all, that last braid energy be coming out of nowhere. Like, I'd be so happy to be done with my hair. But let's get into the texture and the curls.
That's what I am. I'm just a man. Take that pussy, drop it like that. I love it when you move like that. Now turn around and throw it back. It back. It back. No, 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 no. Rippers out in Vegas, New Orleans too. Bodies just no shake like the sellers do. Bodies on the toes, they not one but two. Now I'm stacked with 2. Look at all the cash I blew. Rippers out in Vegas, New Orleans too. Bodies just no shake like the sellers do. Bodies on the toes, they not one but 2. Now I'm stacked with 2.
Okay, even though this hair is human hair, I don't want to drench it in water, so I'm still going to put my curls up as I would with synthetic hair, and I'm going to dip my ends to give them a more of a flowy look. If you don't have one of these, you should definitely get one. It is so convenient when you're doing your own hair. My edges always come out best when I have a good old flat iron finish touch to them, so that's what we're gonna do. And then I always use Got To Be for my edges because they mold them really good and they stay down for a very, very long time. Ooh, and this holding spray is so good. I just spray that on top, and when that dries, your edges aren't going anywhere at all. Your style is never complete until you put mousse on top of that to give your hair a nice glowy finish. Don't forget to do it. Make sure you put it all over here, get all in there. And then I'm just going with that same holding spray, top it off with some glosser and some oil sheen. And we're back to business. We're back in the game, y'all. This is the final outcome of my hair, and you cannot say that it don't look good, because I ate on this style and I love this style. Human hair is definitely going to change the game. So you guys need to make sure you go on ygwigs.com and get you some human hair bundles. Change the game of your boho knotless. Stop getting them synthetics. Thank you guys for tuning into my video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Everything that you need to know about this hair, how many packs I use, and everything will be in the description box below. Make sure you share this video with a friend. Like this video, because you cannot tell me that you are not loving these braids with human hair. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.